Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to fix YouTube thumbnail not shown when shared on Facebook profile or page. So I want to share this video on my Facebook page. This is a YouTube video. Tap on share. From here select the Facebook icon. Okay, so I can see here only link, no thumbnail here. So do one thing, if you got any extra space, then press the back button and now give the space. You can see when you give the space, you see thumbnail shown. Tap next, tap on post. You see YouTube video is posted with thumbnail. Okay, please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Thank you for watching me.